Welcome back to another video. In the previous videos, I showed you how to create customer invoices, how to raise sales invoices, how to edit and delete those invoices. I'm now going to show you how to create, raise credit notes, how to edit, delete credit notes, and how to allocate credit notes. Creating, editing, and deleting credit notes is almost identical to creating, editing, and deleting sales invoices. So if you've seen the previous videos, you're in a good position to learn credit notes. If you've joined the series here, then please go back and watch from the beginning because this will make a lot more sense. So to create a credit note, to raise a customer credit note on Sage Accounting, we need to go to Sales at the top left and click on Sales Credit Notes. This takes us to the Sales Credit Notes screen. And once again, we have one of these tables with headings and the search feature. No credit notes are showing because no credit notes have yet been raised on Sage. To create a credit note for a customer, simply go to the top right and click on New Credit Note. You'll then be taken to the new Sales Credit Note screen, and we just fill in the information just like we did with creating sales invoices. So we need our customer. We can type it in or use the drop-down list. Let's do Aviva. We need the credit note date, the reference number, for example, the invoice number. This is not the credit note number though, as I went through in a previous video all about sales invoices. This is purely a reference. The credit note number will be auto-generated just like the sales invoice numbers are, and you can change that in the settings as I showed you with sales invoices. Select a product or service, put in a description, so credit for invoice 54897. Choose the ledger account you want the credit invoice to be allocated to. So let's do sales, products, the quantity, the price, discount. If you want to put in a discount, the amount or the percentage of discount, the tax rate, and then the tax. I've gone through this very quickly because once again, I went through all of this when I demonstrated how to create sales invoices. Hence why I think you should go back and watch those videos if you haven't done so. We have a space for notes, and we have a summary of the net, tax, and total. Once you're happy with the credit note, you can save it, you can save and email it, you can save and print it, or save and start a new credit note. If I go to save and print, then you'll be able to see the credit note on the screen here. And once again, from this screen, I can actually download and print the invoice. You'll now see that the credit note is showing on my sales credit note screen, or it should be showing. Let's try refreshing. There we go. The sales credit note is showing on the sales credit note screen. You'll see that the credit note number has been auto-generated. And just like I showed you with sales invoices, if you want to change that, go to Business Settings, go to Document Preferences, and you can change the prefix and the number in these boxes. Just ensure you click Save. That's how you create sales credit notes on Sage, and this credit note will now also be showing on the customer's account. So if I go to Aviva, you'll see that we have a sales invoice and that sales credit for 60, which I just generated.